Alright. This horse, I'm told, there's an issue with other people tacking it up. It's good with owners, so we're just going to see her do it, and then I'm going to do it. You mainly trail ride him?
Yeah, that's all.
That's all.
In Australia, in fact, we're not in this.
Mm-hmm.
So the saddle, the thing for him, he had very, very severe back issues.
Yeah.
Coupled with behavior.
Yeah.
See how he's doing this?
Right.
He thinks this is going to cause him pain.
Oh.
So I don't rush him.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Oh, here's something good.
He's got that look of, I can't bear to look, let me turn away.
Yeah. Always been like this.
Yeah.
It's not even hurting you.
What's that?
It's not even hurting you yet.
No.
It hasn't even hurt you yet. Huh?
What does he do when somebody else does it? He runs? Well, don't they hang on to the lead rope?
You can't. You couldn't even.
You can't hold them.
He's lunatic.
Oh. Oh. Take
It's
off.
It's just full panic.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to try it after she's done. Just to break down the steps of what I do. So do you have to tack them up for everybody?
I haven't, but
so,
we just let him free.
Oh.
Because we figure eventually he'll stop being See, he's, right now.
Yeah. You're okay.
Let this go in. Let this go in. I know. That's so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. That's as far as I go.
Mm-hmm.
Then we walk him around.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Just back him up one.
Yeah.
Let him feel it.
He has
Good.
a hard time, too,
Yeah?
backing with a saddle.
All right. I know. I understand. Right.